While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Body harmony. Let's begin. Mountain pose. Stand tall with feet grounded and spine long. Relax your shoulders. Feel steady. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly, staying calm and present. Standing side stretch. Stand tall and grounded. Reach one arm up and gently lean to the side, keeping the chest open. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly, feeling space along the side body. Forward fold. From standing, hinge gently at the hips and fold forward with ease. Let your head and arms relax down. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, releasing tension through the spine. Low lunge. Step 1 foot forward. Lower the back knee and lift the chest gently. Keep the movement soft and stable. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly, feeling openness in the hips. Warrior eyes high. Bend the front knee and extend your arms wide, grounding through your feet. Keep the gaze steady and chest open. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly, feeling strength and calm. Reverse warrior. From warrior II, keep the front knee bent and reach the front arm up and back. The other hand rests lightly on the back leg. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, creating space through the side body. Cross-legged forward fold. Step the feet wide and fold forward from the hips, letting the head and arms relax down. Keep the spine long and the breath calm. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feeling release through the back and legs. Tree pose. Shift your weight onto one foot and place the other foot on the calf or inner thigh. Stand tall with a soft, steady focus. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, finding balance and calm. Chair pose. Bend your knees and sit back as if into a chair, keeping the chest lifted. Reach your arms up and ground through the feet. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feeling strength and stability. Seated forward fold. Sit with legs extended. Hinge gently at the hips and fold forward. Keep the spine long and relax the neck. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feeling a gentle stretch through the back and hamstrings. Butterfly pose. Sit tall, bring the soles of your feet together, and let the knees fall gently to the sides. Lengthen the spine and relax the shoulders. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feeling openness in the hips and inner thighs. Supine twist. Lie on your back and drop your knees gently to one side, keeping shoulders grounded. Extend the arms and turn the head softly. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feeling a gentle release through the spine.